no. Guys, it's running straight for my car. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can tell, we are going to the mountains. So there, west to the mountains. And so a lot of you guys know I live in Denver, Colorado, right in the city. So I've actually only lived here for about a year now. I've grown up in Silverthorne, which is a small town in the mountains, and that's where we're heading. Now, my girlfriend has this property out there. Her parents have this property out there, and it's got really good mountain views, but you got to do some off-roading to get to the spot. So we're going to see how it goes bringing the M4 up this mountain, and hopefully my bumper stays in one piece. So we'll see you in the mountains. It's a Saturday, so everybody is leaving the city so that they can go be outside and enjoy the mountains. This is a common thing on this highway for it to just pile up with cars, and we're a part of it now. How do you feel about this traffic, Alex?
It's lame.
Alright guys, so we just exited the tunnel. That big mountain, and this whole town is Silverthorne, and this is where I grew up and lived in. So it's raining right now, so we're not going to be able to film the off-roading video today. So we're going to fast forward to tomorrow when it's nice and dry outside, and we're going to stop by a car show that's actually happening and just kind of catch up with some old friends. So we're going to do that first. What's up, Sebastian?
What's up, buddy?
We got my buddy Sebastian. You guys have seen him in other videos. We're picking him up to go to the car show. And there's his E90 335. All right, guys, so as you can tell, it is blue skies today, so no more rain, so we'll be able to take this M4 out, and we're heading that direction, and there's gonna be some big mountains, and it's gonna be a little adventure taking this thing on some off-roading. So we are heading to the direction where we're gonna take this thing off-roading, and that is actually the elementary school that I went to as a kid, so it's always cool to drive past that place. But yeah, we're like 30 minutes out, 20 minutes out, so we'll be there soon. So we are approaching the road. It's gonna be on this right side over there. We just pulled off the road. So this is the road that we're taking the car up to. And when we get up there, it's gonna be such a sick spot for some photos, but I don't think anybody has taken their lowered M4 on some pretty bumpy extreme road. This is like where Jeeps and trucks go, not lowered M4s. So it's a little bumpy here, but we're gonna keep going up and we're gonna see how it goes. But check out these views. It's so pretty out here. So we're gonna start heading up on this road, guys. Now, we're gonna take this fine piece of machinery and see if it can hold up on these Colorado roads. Seatbelt on.
Carson, say hi.
All right, guys, so we pulled over. So this is my girlfriend's area for their cows. Doing some farming out here. Look at this car sitting out in the dirt road. Sure, this is the first time this car's ever seen a dirt road. It's awesome out here. So like, this isn't like a crazy off-roading trail that like you would see a Jeep go on. It's a dirt road next to the mountains. This part is pretty smoothed out, but we're gonna get to one spot where the whole road is like falling apart, and we may lose some paint on the front bumper, I'm not gonna lie, but well, yeah, we're just gonna send it. We're gonna push it through because I'm gonna park the car in a field and take some pictures of it, and yeah, it's gonna look really awesome. So we're just around the corner from that sketchy road. Look at this, guys. These little bumps on the road, like right there, it's like making my car rub a little bit on the wheel wells. Because look how low this thing is. This thing just sits so low to the ground. It's like 3 fingers away from touching the ground. Doing some rock crawling in a lowered car. Oh.
Oh.
You can just feel the grass like cleaning underneath my car. Guys, there's like people that live kind of near this road, and I'm sure they're just so confused right now on what's happening. Oh my, we're like in a huge ditch. We're on 3 wheels for a second. Yeah, we are. All right, guys, we actually got the car on 3 wheels right now. Check that out. This thing is like fully tucked in. Look at that wheel. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Now that is close to the ground. This just looks wild. Alright guys, so I am approaching like the road of death right there. That road is just full of holes and dips and sketchy parts. So this is where the off-roading kind of begins. Alright, we're gonna try weaving through this ditch. Ooh. That is, guys, I literally feel like I'm about to tip over.
Oh, it's kind of hard to get out even.
All right, guys, so sitting in my car, I literally felt like I was sliding out of my seat. Check out this ditch we're in right now. So far, we haven't scraped yet, so that's great. So the lowered M4 is actually doing really good. It's just all about the angles right now. But look at that, oh my gosh. Again, all these people are so confused. Really scared about the car bottoming out because these are really tall ditches, guys, and if you look underneath the car, it won't take much for this ditch to hit anything underneath that car. It's like fully tucked in right now. So we just turned the camera off and I just heard the gnarliest noise, and I'm pretty sure it's my skid plate scraping, so thank goodness that's there. But we're gonna try to back out and see if we can get out of whatever we just did. So all right guys, so after some angling and just very slow driving, we are getting to the end of that crazy torn up road. And this is actually the gate that we were trying to get to. So we're gonna go through this gate, and that's where there's a big open field with all the mountains. So we're gonna be able to take some pretty cool photos over there. See, that's normally what you drive, is a Jeep like that one. That thing can handle this road without scraping. We'll ask her what she thinks. My girlfriend, her parents built a house out here, and it's got so much land and just
Toys, our boat, our
outside
camper.
world right here. Yeah, all these fun toys. We should take a photo shoot in front of the house too, because the house looks awesome too.
Yeah, it's beautiful. We just finished our house like a year ago, you say? Maybe not even.
Yeah, like
during quarantine.
We made it though. The car's in one piece.
Woo!
Did it.
Mike is spotting out the holes so that we don't go in them, but
Okay guys, so we just backed up through this brush and like dippy land and road and everything. So we have the car exactly where I want it. Just check out these views. These are views on views. And it just looks so cool with like the grass creeping up around it. But honestly, it was worth it. I mean, it's so cool to bring your sports car up to like places where Jeeps and trucks normally come to. So yeah, I mean, there's like cows over there, and just look at the mountains. Let's see, Alex, were you a little bit nervous watching the car go through all of that?
yeah, it just like, it doesn't look like it adds up. It looks wrong with it out here, but it looks sexy, so.
Yeah, it looks totally wrong bringing my car out here, but it just looks so freaking cool.
You guys hear my horse?
Oh, there's a horse coming up to the car. So we actually might get pictures with the horse next to the car, so we'll see if he comes this way. But check this out, we got the horse coming to hang out with us. I just hope that he doesn't kick the car in accident. Now that'd be bad. Hello, Charlie. Hello. Hello. Why is there a lowered BMW up here? Are you a little confused? I know. Hello. Hello.
Help me, Mike!
So she is learning how to drive a stick shift. Just please do not hit the car out here. Hey, watch out for the dogs. This is a crazy. We got the horse. People learning how to drive stick shift. The car is all in the middle of the mountains. What a crazy day. So we just got done doing our photo shoot, and I am so excited to see how those photos come out. And you already know we had to do a little cinematic edit out here, so everything is looking so good. I'll show you guys what I just filmed right now. All right, well, we've got some cows that are approaching us. Oh, that one's running. Oh no. Guys, it's running straight for my car. All right, I am getting in. Please do not hit my car. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. Oh no. I'm just gonna drive off. Maybe should I rev my car to make them go away? Guys, these cows. Oh my gosh, they're running away. We've got the horse and the cows and the dogs. Those cows escaped from their fence. Oh my gosh, I need to get out of here. All right, guys, so we just got the car back in the garage because too many animals for my comfort. And Ashley, what did you just tell me?
The bulls don't like bright colors, so they'll put their horns through the side of this car.
Did you guys hear that? Could you imagine if this day ended with...
tire stuff?
Yeah, that's just, the whole car is dirty. Imagine if I had bull horns through the car. That would have been bad. So at least we got a garage to keep it safe for now. But that was, not gonna lie, I was pretty scared. All right, guys, so they're actually trying to get the cows back in the fence. I think we're just gonna end the video here. That was such an experience. I hope you guys were entertained by me kind of beating on my car a little bit. I know there's gonna be some haters out there that don't like what I just did, but honestly, it was fun. Life's too short, so what an awesome day bringing the car out to the Rocky Mountains here in Colorado. If you guys like this content, I will continue to upload videos like this. Make sure that you like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.